Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to log out remotely from YouTube. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Logging out remotely from YouTube means that you want to log out of YouTube from other devices, which means that maybe you're logged in on a TV to your friend's device and now you just went away from their house but you forgot to log out, and then you want to log out your YouTube account from those. Well, it's very simple. First of all, open the YouTube app now. One thing you have to understand is that your YouTube is actually your Google account, right? So if you want to log out of YouTube of those devices, you have to log out of your Google account from those devices. To do that, tap your profile icon from the top right. In here, you'll find a button that says Manage Your Google Account, so just tap on the Manage Your Google Account button. Once you tap on the Manage Your Google Account, it will just take you to this page directly. Swipe and look for the security option. Once you go to security here, you just need to scroll down until you see a list of devices that says your device. Now you can select Manage All Devices. Once you select Manage All Devices, it shows you is the list of all the devices where your YouTube account or your Google account is logged in. So let's say that this is a specific device where my account is logged in. All I need to do is just tap on this device. Then tap on the Sign Out button. It'll sign me out of that device. So I'll just select Sign Out here. Now you can repeat the process for all the other devices that you might want to remove your YouTube or your Google account. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.